Hello, children. Today we will be learning about the human ear, parts of the ear, and their functions. Our ears. The human ear is incredible. Ears can send sound in the form of vibrations and send and receive signals from the brain. Pinna. The pinna is made of cartilage covered by skin. It funnels sound into the ear canal. Ear canal. The ear canal is a short tube that transmits sound from the pinna to the eardrum. Eardrum. The eardrum is a thin, tough layer of tissue at the end of the auditory canal. Sound waves make the eardrum vibrate. Ear bones. The ear bones, or ossicles, are three tiny bones that amplify and transmit the vibrations from the eardrum to the cochlea. Cochlea. The cochlea is an organ filled with fluid. Receptor cells change vibrations in the fluid into electrical impulses. Auditory nerve. The auditory nerve contains sensory neurons that send information to the brain for processing. Eustachian tube. The eustachian tube connects the middle ear to the nasal cavity. It regulates the pressure within the ear.